Hello, monkey. Give me a sec. Alright, so yesterday we finished up all the cleanup and so on for the exit and flower portal thingy. Today we will only concentrate on one thing that is a messy process to do, which is this thing. We have trigger points for interactions that we spawn, and they don't have an abstract class, so they right now spawn as a cube. So first we need to have an abstract, and then I have to add another button for the trigger creation, be either spherical or a box. And then everything will break. Everything. So this is a very, very messy refactoring that I will start now. But in the long run, better to do this than have a workaround. Because then I can maybe add, maybe we should think a little bit more. I mean, we have trigger. Nah, I could add more and then it would just... Okay, so I can have many children for the triggers. That's not the problem. Problem is just the shape creation. Do I really need an abstract? Because I will have a cube and a sphere. Maybe a capsule. Anything that is like a special shape. I'm not so sure if I really need to go into that detail. Okay, let's see how complicated it would be to exchange it. If it's really too complicated, maybe another round of thinking would be good to wait out the pros and cons of this refactoring. Oh, where's the trigger point? This thing. This referenced by many, the maps we can ignore. What is this? E. The tools needed because they are creating it, and then resize them, probably. Save point, interaction teleporter. Any interaction has that, of course. We'll lose it now. Money cheat is not that important. Why is this guy using it? Why has the player a reference to it? How would I be able to find it? I cannot audit asset. Never mind then. So I don't know why it is referenced here. No, how to get no. Just using the overworld thing by hacking, but why are we even casting? But just use if it's valid or not. I go through everything here. Makes no sense. If I were to delete this, it says that it has a connection to here. It does not tell me what, right? What I could do is copy the project, delete this, and then see what breaks. I think that's a good idea. Give me a sec. Wrong one. Let's close that. Oh my god! That killed it. But instead of deleting it, can I just deprecate the whole class? Failed to load. What happened here? Excuse me? Why is this broken now? Okay, we will copy the thing because I don't like this. That's gone. One. Didn't break. Fan effing tastic. Doesn't break. What is hide unrelated? Oh. Okay. Wait. Hide unrelated. Ah! That's interesting. Huh. That's probably in class settings. Depre. Okay, we cannot deprecate a class. That's a pity. That. Never mind, you can. No warnings. Oh mind, we looked at the wrong place. This is not the thing. We deprecated it, but I don't see that this is throwing any errors or warnings. Like here. So yeah, I think this is very bad, because if I don't know where it is referenced here, and if I delete it and no compile errors happen, then something will break. So I'm rather... I mean, why does the player even need that? Does it have any bindings to anything? That's the only thing could happen. Char notification, no idea what that is, from where. Oh god. Oh, hello, Kona. They're really not that easy. How are you doing, man? Now that there is a new pope. Now everything is fine, right? Yeah. Man. This is really bad. I mean, if I delete it, this one will break. That is for sure. No more war. I mean, no more war with Italy, I guess. I can't decide. If I start this, then I have the feeling that I will break something that I will not find. Not immediately. Can I just go for it? That's why writing getter functions can help with refactoring in the end, because then whatever is in the getter function you can just replace with a new class. Or whatever should happen there, but I mean, whatever. Has its own problems. This one is clear. Well, let's see what's going on here. Ever. And How is that reference to this guy? Is it automatically because it is like inherited? Like this thing? Because inside here it's not there. When I remove it, it just still works. And the player gets this information here. Getting fired here. This is like the interaction actor and not the box. Could see if it gets linked from there. Oh. Oh, nope. Better. Nope. Oh. I'm not sure. How is it referenced here? Not referenced here at all. At least I cannot see it. But why would it even be referenced in here? Makes no sense. It makes no sense. What if I search deeper? References, is that the left part? Yes. Let's say 5 references. I don't know. See how deep that goes. So the player is there for sure. And the rest is also here without any changes. Only the player goes deeper. The rest are flat. I'm really not sure how the trigger box getting referenced. No sense. I mean, I know that these have trigger boxes. The player have a trigger box? Outside? No, this is just a box. Character, sound. No, there is no trigger box. My God. Hello, Sarah. How are you doing? I mean, yeah. There are. They're just not categorized. Are you an Unreal developer? Maybe you can help me here. I'm trying to refactor something and I'm really not sure. Hey, Scene. Maybe you can also help me, Scene. 5D game, oh god. So listen. My problem is this. I have this actor, and that is getting referenced by multiple things. It has a function to just get triggered by the player if it walks in, and then sends it to whoever owns it. Doesn't matter. The problem is, this is not an abstract class where I can say, hey, it has a cube or it has a sphere, whatever, as a collider. I wanted to make now that I have an abstract trigger, and that can like inherit either or. Of course, I could now go inside here and make it like exchangeable, whatever, but that's my workaround, plan B, whatever. Now the problem is, if I want to delete this, it will delete it in many places, and I want to make sure that I can find every single place that it's gone. So when I go here, reference viewer, all these things are fine. Like, I understand all of these things. The only thing I don't understand is where it is in the player. Do you have any idea if you can pinpoint the exact place where the reference is going to? That would be a huge help. Because if I delete this thing and then compile the player, it doesn't complain. No, what it does doesn't matter. My question is, how do I find the exact reference inside the code? The collision, etc. is irrelevant. I know how to do that thing. Like, I will refactor that. The problem is, I want to find every single reference to properly refactor. I marked it deprecated. And it is not showing up. That is very annoying, but here I deprecated it. And if I go to the player, compile it, there is no warning. There's a note for my whatever dispatcher, but this is something else. Has nothing to do with it. What do you mean runtime or editor? That has no relevance to the problem. In a struct, that could be a point. I don't believe, because the player should never have a direct access to it. Always comes from the interaction itself. Let me see though, maybe I'm stupid and just didn't see it. Components, none of them is the thing. Nope. No structs, but maybe functions, and yeah, I need to find the function, that's the problem. Is there any interaction? Well, there are many interactions. This guy, maybe? Teleporter. Aha, there it is! I found it. Why didn't I find it when I looked for child? This seems to be the only place it happens. So if I delete this, It should lose its reference now. Wait, it is connected to these two, so let us also keep that in mind. Error is fine. Let's save that and then re-look in the reference viewer. Now it should not point out this, but maybe it is because of the compilation that didn't go through. We could remove this compiles and now refresh this. Nope. Ah, but yeah, never mind, because the getters themselves are references to it. And even this is a reference, so I need to remove everything. Which means I will lose this information, so we have to go back to that soonish. But now it's gone, okay. So it is the only place that the player has a reference to, which is fine. This one, easy to replace. No problem. I just need to make a little comment that this needs to be refactored. I believe I don't use this word anywhere else. Apparently I do use it in the issue board, but that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's jump to the next. Wait, how many references are there anyway? 100? All the maps I don't care. All of this I do care. This needs to be looked at. So Sarah, tell me, how did you find my channel? How's the scene? How is it going? Where was I? Oh yeah. I wanted to compile here so it pops up again. Well, let's see. Abstract interaction. Where do we have it there? We certainly have it here in the child's. And there's a lot of them here. These need to be exchanged everywhere. Ah, I see. Did you search for a specific keyword or something? Like software development or something? I don't know. Doing line traces from the player position against the hit locations to a... Huh. Wait, you make line traces from the player, but that would mean that it could collide anywhere with inconsistent distances, no? So do you make the minimap as a vector graph or something? Impressionistic. Ah, okay, I see, Sarah. Well, I'm glad that I popped up. Or popped... How to say? I don't know the word that I popped up in the flood of thumbnails or something. Stood out. That's the thing. Yes. Then I would imagine your minimap then looks like this, right? I don't know, like the actual shape. Oh, come on, man. Can you please be a little smaller? Thanks. Like the players in the middle, and then you have like, I don't know, dots here, and then going like some jagged places if you have like blocked views. I see. Well, probably doesn't look like petri dish and bacteria colony, but oh, okay, I see. I mean, it is load intensive, but you could always reduce the tick. So it isn't that bad. You don't need a per tick updated minimap. You could go for every 100ths, every 1000ths, whatever. And then it's not that heavy. Yeah. I see. Interesting. I'm so scared of deleting the thing without finding everything. Where was I? So this one, it's fine. Abstract interaction. All the childs here. It is very, very sad that even though I deprecated the code, which is this thing, it doesn't pop up as warnings. Why is that? What's the point of deprecating this then? Deprecate the blueprint and all child blueprints to make it no longer placeable in the world, nor child classes created from it. Oh, so if I go here and right click it, I cannot make child classes. That's the thing. Now that's sad. I would have wished to see warnings all over the place. Wait, you make it... You make less line traces? But how do you know where to make a line trace to? Are you saving hits on the ground? As in, hey, this location didn't have a line trace yet? Do a line trace? Or this position didn't have enough line traces yet? Like that? Huh. Per turn? Oh god. I mean, if you don't do it in one tick, that is fine. But I mean, a turn isn't a tick, right? Yeah, okay then. Yes. No, this is a problem. Oh boy. I mean, at least I have like a backup. If I break something, I can always go back. Next. No, I don't find any child here. So where could it be? Yes. Execute. I mean, I need to get information back, so it needs to be a bind, probably. Well, that's not it. Do you have a dispatcher? No. Do you have a bind? How am I sending things back from execute on overlap begin, right? Wait, you need to a bind. Not even you have it. You have a direct access to the guy. Trigger self, other is ever hits you. Maybe I should change the whole logic. What a mess. How does it happen then? I go from the execution, other, the trigger. Oh, okay. Oh, hello, baby. How are you doing? I'm losing my mind. Playing with the idea, maybe have a function in here where I can just switch from cube to sphere, from box to sphere. Not good. Besides losing my mind, pretty good, I would say. Not all. It is very hard to find everything, like, it's even here. Mickey! Ugh. Maybe I should do it like scene. Just pull the band-aid and then hope for the best or something. I mean, what could go wrong, right? I don't have that many. Yeah, you know what? I don't care anymore. Monkey goes monkey mode. I'm scared. Let me at least copy the name. God. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Should have created this first. I could just copy everything. You know what? Yeah, let's bring it back. Can I bring it back? Can't bring it back. Okay. Let's save. Goodbye. Delete everything again. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Let's copy the functions to the abstract, then delete it, and then repair everything on the way. Because in my eyes, the only thing that will break are the interactions And it is rather easy to find all the places where they can break. So here we are again. Take this. Abstract. Trigger. Let's see. So we need nothing? Excuse me? Okay, I need to put these into a function. Begin, and end. Other. Okay, let's continue. Copy this. What was it? Collider overlap begin. Trigger collider begin. Like that. This needs to be a thing. And payload. Begin payload. Variable. This I still don't think we need that. Oh, this is the player. Should I just say actor? Say actor. Actor. Other. Let me say valid. No, it... Ah, that's why I'm casting it. I could have just asked for the class, but casting also works, of course, because if it's not valid, then it goes off. Match parent. Rest is fine. Whatever happens there, it's okay. Looking good. Let's copy this. Okay. And rid of this, put this in. Like that. So the other is this. In order is this. Anything else here? These three are connected, the rest is just copy paste. And we need an ID. I mean, I never use it, but give it an ID. Here we go. Error? What happened? Ah, of course. Now I need to change these into abstracts. Action. And begin. So this will now fail. ID get This should now be fine. Means this is fine. And this is now broken, of course. Okay. So we exchanged the functionality here. Now the children need like the colliders to do this. Let's do colliders. This is trigger box. I can't call this box. Bolt. Come on. Yes, please. And then we can call this box. Give that thing a box. Really? We just have the box which has the scale of 1, 50, 50, 50. Anything else? Cube for visualization. Where do I ever use this? Visualize? Or am I just removing the whole thing? Oh, no results. That is very interesting. Maybe it's this then. Where are we? Here. Debug mesh visible. Okay, we need to change that. We need this. Wait, where is this getting used? That visibility of dev mesh. It is here. Can I need to override this then. Okay. I need this for sure. Oh my god, I want to do so many things at the same time, but I can only do it one by one. This is frustrating. That visibility of dev mesh. can remove it here. We have it in here anyway. Okay, let's add thing. First a scene. The scene has a box. The root has a collider box, which has 50, 50, 50. That is 1, 1, 1. Okay, everything else is fine. This one. Oh, I need to change this. Custom interactable. View only is wrong. Oh, it is not wrong. Never mind. Wait. Visible. Okay, overlap, overlap, ignore. Like this. And then just take the two at the top. This guy. Okay. And then begin. Collider begin. Trigger. Other now the override in here we go. The functionality for the first collider is there now. It's the same functionality as we had it. A little more abstract. This should be fine. So we could do it with the sphere now. Wait. First the scene. Then sphere, then sphere collision 50 here, custom, oop, Wait. Was it? No, it was interactable. And then it was physics. Makes no sense. Well, let's keep it that way, I guess. Are you kidding me? Thing should be like no hit detection. I think it is right there. Sizes match. You're kidding me. Huh? Okay, so the asset itself is there now. Now begins the hard part. Man, okay. Should I make a backup here so I don't have to recreate these things? Maybe that's a good idea. Give me a moment. Right. So almost there. And let's go back. And now we are destroying everything. Hello, Frost. How are you doing? And I was thinking it's getting chilly here. What's your fault? Yeah, I needed to make a backup since I'm going to refactor now, which means getting the sledgehammer and destroying everything. So before I lose everything, I rather make a safe state. So this guy says bye-bye now. Where's the lead? And first I want to fix it in our player. Which was where? I refactor. I think I didn't. Ah, shit. Where could it be? Teleport. Here it is. Why is this that class interaction trigger box? Died. A spider? Oh, damn. It didn't animate for a long time now. Okay, now it recognizes the problem. Maybe I should save everything. Oh, lost the connection here. Get. Oh god, this will be hell to repair. Oh wait, I don't even have the triggers. Why? Wait, was wrong. Oh, I need to fix it here first. Here. Okay, first the teleport. Does it need a payload? Probably needs a payload. Needs to come from the trigger. Maybe I start the other project to cross-reference. Now it's getting messy. Oh god. Now I also have to make sure the right Unreal editor is open when I change things. I'm going to lose it. Okay, so first I need the interaction. Got the and browser is so small. This interactions maybe. Here it is. Never mind, doesn't happen. Oh god, okay. I have it on full screen right now, so I can update the chat. There's no construction script. Trigger. Oh. Files. Get. Why is this objects? Oh, I didn't add it here yet. This is abstract trigger. Oh god. Well, it cannot compile, of course. Okay, for each destroy and then clear. No, this is the soundtrack of Dragon's Crown. Highly recommended game. Only on PlayStation though. Um, 3, 4, and 5. Which Unreal is open right now? I'm losing it! I'm losing it! Oh my god. Guys, I'm actually losing it. And this is not even 5% of the things I have to refactor. Why did I start this? What's the reason? Why do I need to suffer? Oh god. Oh god, okay. There's so much. Make it stop! That didn't work. Thanks, Frost. Thank you. Oh my god, where? Oh. What? A porter. Porter here. Where are we in Death Trigger? Wait, why are these errors? Excuse me? What? They have no references, why is that an error? Can't connect pins. Add trigger. Ah. If I remove them, you're fine? Okay. That's nice. Set ID to target. Set ID origin. And then custom trigger begin payload. Here. Custom begin payload. Here. 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 And here. That's it? Oh, this is so scary. Okay. Next one. Oh, that one is fine. Left jump. Oh my god! Oh my god, it even lost this! Why? What in the fire? Why? Def add trigger. Right. So child goes in here with get thing. Fine. Get 0. Need to set ID. ID set. Boom. Care about that right now. At begin payload. At there. this lead to? I don't know. We will find out soonish. Okay. Goes in here. At one there. Way. Same thing here. Set ID. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Next. We have so many more to do, eh? Controller screen. What's this? Ah, it's the little pop-up. Should be fine. Wait, can it be fine? How can it be fine? It has no trigger now. I'm going to lose it. I'm going to lose it. It has no trigger. I add the trigger in the map. And this is done. Dev stuff. Money cheats. Probably fine. Dialogue. Exits. Could it be that most of these are fine? Exit. An active Orpling container. It's just info. Didn't have any. Trigger we already did. Item. I believe this is also fine. Save point should be fine. Teleporter, did we fix it? I already fixed teleporter. And trail Orpling spawn. A trial Orpling spawn. Okay, so if I press play, it should start, but all the map information are gone. Guys, the code is fixed. Okay. That's good. Now I have to go into every single map and close that engine now. Now we have to go into every single map and regenerate the triggers. No, we are not done with the code. We are actually not done with the code. What is Monkey talking about? See, we still have this. This one is still a problem. Show me, please. Good thing the triggers. No. That. Fail. Nice. And the other thing. This one. Okay, now we're good. Okay. Maps. World map, I don't care. Camera, I don't care. Arena, I don't care. Let's start with the start area. Everything is dead. Not even visible. That's problematic. I see 2 triggers here. Another trigger. Ah, it's spawning the abstract. Yeah, that's not okay. That's not okay. Excuse me, where's the... Where did the code go? Oh, did I close it? Yes. Clear it. Okay, so this is not fine. Whatever did we do with the add trigger? Well, this add trigger needs to be either box or sphere. I could add a little drop down, or I could add 2 2 functions. Def trigger, add trigger. So maybe we say a class here. Output is fine. Where do we this? Use it in a lot of places. Def, def, def. Okay, if it's def, everything is fine. Although I want to see. F trigger, is this like... Yes. Okay, so how do I do this? I could make it so that every interaction has its own add trigger function and then override it with the correct thing. Let's see. So this dev add trigger would then have like a fixed drop down here to add boxes. Since we only use it there. Abstract trigger class trigger class. This goes in here. Now the teleporter here will do this and this. This also means I need to go into every single function that uses this. Let's go. First, this guy. Wait, do you actually use it? Doesn't seem like it. Wait. Goes in there. That trigger. Without the class. Oh. Lift jump doesn't do anything with it. It's not everywhere where we have it. These guys are overriding that. Trigger at trigger. Lift jump needs to be box. Now this guy needs to be, what are you? Exit needs to be box. I mean, it could also be sphere, but that's fine. Interaction teleporter is a box. Yes. Now this is a function from island editor widget. What do you do here? Place cliff jump, that is correct. That goes into cliff jump and does the thing. The box. Cave. Box. Straight exit is box. Cave interior. Okay, so these are all okay now. Now I have to go one by one and open all the interactions and check there. For instance, the key needs a different one. This guy. Trigger, don't care. Item. B, important. Save point. Teleporter and trial orbling has no. First off, chain command. I would guess it just goes into add trigger, which is if I go add trigger, we already have a default thing. But the dev trigger, that is also box right now, yes. Dev trigger. Fine. Doesn't overwrite, doesn't overwrite, doesn't overwrite. F trigger. Fine. But where's the key? Here. Doesn't overwrite, doesn't overwrite, doesn't overwrite, but should overwrite. Def, add key. Rid of this. Copy that. Again. Paste it. Let's say sphere. Save point is fine. Here. Okay, all the code is now there. Save all. Maybe also compile all. Is there a compile all button? I don't want to go one by one and compile them. I could start play, press play, and then it would compile everything, but doesn't matter. So now the tools are also here. Are you sure? I don't think it does compile because the compile symbol was still there. So the shop. What happens if I press add trigger? There it is. Of course I would need to change all the shaders again. But can I actually select all of them and then just add all in bulk? Well, maybe not the exit yet, but that, and then press. Haha! Nice. This is spawn. Teleporter. What happens if I press here? Well, this one doesn't do anything. Look what's going on here. Is valid. Could be doing this. Why it? This should add it to the children. Why doesn't this happen? Yes, I agree. Well, especially in refactoring, I would save, because then it can sometimes crash. Always be safe than sorry. Let's think. Why does the teleporter not add triggers? Because it has children already. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. I need to clean them all. Can I clean them like this and then press here? Everything's fine. Okay. What a mess. Okay, if I need to do it like this. Now it looks like it is clean. Although something was different. What is this? Why is the save point different? Dialogue graph, content. Ah, okay, these are all dialogue. That's why. Fine. Why is the teleporter here? Maybe it should be in the interactables. Full screen dialogue. Guys. That. Oh, they should be fine. On the teleporter. In this. Add. Add another. Are they target origin? We have to move this guy over to the other side. I don't know the exact position anymore. Let's move it somewhere there. But the exit also died. That's fun. Put it here. A little closer. This. Add. Okay. This is relative. I'm not sure how to align this properly. Like that. We could make the teleporter one a little bigger. Like this. That's fine. Ooh. Now I need to change all the shaders. Money cheat is still there. Where was it? Dummy? That area materials, there it is. Dummy, lost and found. No, we need the shop. Orpling shop. This one. Where is your little cube? This one? Isn't it cute? It's so stupid. This one is the manager. Item shop. I guess I never added an item shop. Here, this guy. Wait. Yep. Item storage. Cube. That's Tomati, not a bunny. It's Tomati. Save game. For all the boomers out there. Still a floppy disk. I mean... Am I missing something on the side? Am I missing some kind of toolbar here? It seems so strange. Doom. I played Amiga as a kid. I wanted to show you the Tomati visual. Your 3D. Where are you? There. Where's your idol? Here. Is this a bunny? Oh my god, man. What is this? This is the test tool. I don't need this anymore. This is our what is it called? The arena. Don't have icon for that. Lost and found is this guy. And this one needs a red shader. Don't know which one. Here's my Orpling debug. This one. There we go. Good as new. Let's look if every or most of them work again. So the most important is the teleporter, which works. This should open a UI. Drop. Leave. Seems to work. If I touch this... Okay, so the interactions work again. That's good. Which means I can fix every single world and then we are done with the refactoring actually. Isn't that funny? I didn't think I would take only 1 day for this. That makes me a little happy actually. Now we are in this mess. All the interaction points are broken. Do I delete them and then put in the things, or do I just do it manually? I certainly could do this. This works. The size doesn't fit. And I believe if I do it with the tool, the size does fit. Let's see. Never mind. Thing is still small. Maybe I changed it manually. Guess this guy can die. Let me open the other project again. Copy. So we can see the colliders there. But I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Where was I? Oh yeah. Thank you. Okay. Wait, did I look? Didn't look. Please. Yeah. They are not visible. But they are small. That's fine. One thing we have to do is make them invisible. Okay, then we open. Run. We need cave creation. Then we go up here, select it. Remove it and add it again. There we go. And we do the same thing on the other side. Add this. I believe we have to do it like that. Remove add. Correct. And this map just needs the exit and then we're fine. I can even select it. Power portal, north, remove, add, and that's that. This map should be fine now. Save it. Go to the caves. All of these are dead. Oh, the only thing we have to do is recreate the exit. Well, the problem is I cannot remove the exit. Maybe I need to remove exit info. We create 1, 2, 3 things. Maybe I need a new button that is delete. Like this. Rest. this. We need to remove point of interest. This and that. We save it in enter spawn, waypoint, chain command. On get wait, what? Enter spawn on and waypoint enter. Chain command interaction. Needs clear. Waypoints. Point of interest. Point of interest. Roy. Roy. We have to check if these are valid, or we will maybe get an error. So if this one is valid, then destroy it. Valid. Here. Actually, do this with a sequence. Always better to read. Valid. Okay, this should get rid of it with just one click now. So, if that works. File. Run editor. Get info. Then let's see, these three need to disappear now. Although abstract point of interest, yeah. Delete, gone, create, back. Very good. So all we need to do is press this, and then press this on all the caves. But not to forget, we also need to go to this root and press this. So maybe I could even go in here and find the root after we're done. Get first, no, find first root and then dev tool fill. What? Develop tool fill arrays. Cast root dev tool fill arrays, and it should automatically do it. Nice. So this will do that, but we also need to look at any other interactions we might have, but we don't. These cubes should not exist anymore. And the rest is fine. Trial orbiting, blah blah blah. Save. Go to the next. Maps 1 sandbox. Here, this guy. Open up this. Get, delete, create. That's done. And this one we need to here add. The location is not good. We set 75, but now it should be 0 instead. Let's go into this code. Dev trigger add. Wait, what? Where do we do this? I not understand. Where do we add this? Why does the dev trigger relative z? Where does this come from? Excuse me? Oh. Okay. $25. It should be 0. The size here should be 1.5. If that here add. Damn it. Really didn't work. But why? Let's look. Clear add. Move this, go in. And 1.5, that's good. Why is this still 75? Stop. Can't remove it. Ah, okay, I need to manually change this now. Because on every single one I added... Did I really add it here? I don't remember. Add. But now the size still doesn't fit. 0.5? Maybe 2. No, 1.5 was fine. Yeah, I mean, that's the trigger thing. The only thing that is now an issue is these are visible right now. And for... as default, they shouldn't be visible. You have to go for the default scene route. And its visibility needs to change. Like that. Good. Triggers. render. On me, man. Looking good, but this one is still there. Wait. Okay, fine. That's... need to do it for both. Trigger hidden in game. That worked. But this one also. Okay. It clearly doesn't work anymore. Did I forget to add it in the sphere? The box? No, it's here. What happens here? That doesn't help us. Default scene route. Oh. Oh. Stop, stop, stop. It's this. God damn it. Hiding everything. Why does it not propagate it down? It does. Probably was that already, that's why. Fine. I want to stay, but Normally this is not visible. If I create that exit again, delete, create, clearly not visible here. Why are you visible? Yeah, let's try it again. Okay, it works. Maybe it's a little too much as it also removes the hitbox. Not so sure about that. That off. You know what? It's fine. I really don't care. I think I will do the rest either on Sunday or I'll add an intermission episode tomorrow to clean up all the maps. But I believe this now works, so let's play. I might clean up the other levels off camera or something. Oh, they're all gone now. It's bad. Where's my teleporter? Let's see if that actually works. We have to key. Oh, can't enter. All right, we have a lot of things to do. We will see. I will probably then just go ahead and make another fixing session on Sunday. Damn. Why? Why did it break? Really has everything. Matter. So yeah, I don't know. Have to clean. Have to fix. Anyway, that's it for today. Rust, baby. Thanks for tuning in. everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, monkey. Thank you, thank you.